Hello, this is Decofanblade, and I'm here on a video request from Sapin Hero, and this is my white hugger, 30-inch white hugger fan. The unfortunate thing is that I broke the globe on this, so there's no globe. I'm looking for something else that fits this fitter right here, which I have to go around looking Home Depot, because that's what we have, Home Depot here in Mexico. So, and yeah, this is actually a Home Depot fan too. It's called the America ceiling fan. I don't know, that's how they call it here. And as you can see, it has the fan tag and the light tag. Let me pull the light tag. It has a small spiral. And here is high. Doesn't make that much noise, and it gives a good amount of air. Yeah. Medium speed. Same speed. It kind of looks like the same. No difference. Low speed. And off. Now I'm gonna switch it to reverse. Gotta stop it. I know this is not good for the fan, but stop it. High speed and high speed, medium speed, low speed, off, and back. And yeah, that's the review of my 30-inch hugger ceiling fan. Thanks for viewing. I'll see you guys later. Bye.